Spring onion pancakes are one of my favorite Chinese dishes. You might think that they're really hard to make, but I'm going to show you how to whip them up in a jiffy. Into my stand mix, I'm going to add plain flour, self-raising flour, warm water, coconut oil, and lastly some salt. We're going to take this and pop it onto our stand mixer and put it on a low to medium speed for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until the mixture pulls away from the side of the bowl and holds a fingerprint indefinitely. I've had my spring onion pancake dough resting in the fridge for 30 minutes. I'm going to cut it up into 6 equal portions and pop it under a wet tea towel to stop it drying out. This technique I'm going to show you is well worth the effort. It may seem like a lot of work, but it's going to give you that beautiful flaky spring onion pancake that everybody knows and loves. What you need to do is roll the dough, get a bit of elbow grease in there, roll your dough into a relatively thin pancake shape, spread some beautiful fragrant sesame oil on the top, then we're going to sprinkle with a pinch of salt and our gorgeous spring onions, and roll it up into a sausage shape. Try to be careful to keep your spring onions inside, and roll it up like a snail. It's just about ready to be cooked. And roll it into a pancake again. This is going to crisp up beautifully in the pan and be nice and flaky. Drizzle some coconut oil into a preheated pan and cook your spring onion pancakes for 2 to 3 minutes aside on a medium to low heat until they're golden and crispy. To make our dipping sauce to go with our spring onion pancakes, I'm going to add equal parts light soy sauce and rice vinegar into a ramekin, and because I like it spicy, I'm going to put some chili in there as well. These crispy pancakes are perfect as part of an Asian feast, or ideal with an ice cold beer.